how to change the blade on the Amazon Basics utility knife. So first what we want to do is press this button down to open up the utility knife, like that. And in most cases it does come with a safety blade protector here. What you want to do is you want to slip this off, and you see this button here, this is the locking mechanism. You want to hold the blade. Now I do recommend using some safety gloves like I have here, then pressing this button down, and then it'll simply slip out. Now you can see the slot there. If you want to slip it back in, you can just slip it back in like that, and what you'll notice, it doesn't go in. You have to press this button again and it'll go in like that. Oh, see, you need to make sure it's secure. Press that button down, then release it once it's right at the back, and now you can see it's firmly stuck into place and it's nice and secure. What's happening is that this little shape here is under here, and it releases it, and then when you press it back and then release, it is going into that shape and it's keeping it nice and secure into place. So that's how to easily change the blade on the Amazon Basics utility knife. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.